repair tools, steel. It contains the both Samsung, Dolphin, Caterpillar, and Cummins.
Take the 120 watt injection as an example. Turn on the pneumatic
It
switch.
contains
Press the start button.
with injectors.
The injector oil enters the test for measurement. The oil
Now choose the
returns
Samsung
also
brand
the same.
and Z2. Now choose replace the wall.
P-1000共轨喷油器实验台，和
You
测
can
试
follow
共
the
轨喷油器
pictures
第二遍喷油
step
器，
by step.
喷油器喷油，喷油器回油，高压进油，电磁阀线束，选择喷油器相应型号。
You can see the reference of the angles, QP and
下面以博士120喷油器为例，介
series
绍一下使用方法。
and you
先
can
打
also
开
follow
下开
the
关，
corresponding.
选择相应的型号，开始测试。开始进入料杯测量。
Test common rail injector and high injector. Oil injection pipe. Oil return pipe. High pressure oil vent pipe.
We can read the details
Stone
of
oil,
the
L
cylinder
part.
wall.
Select injector model.
The next. Also follow the pictures
Take
and
the 120
instructions.
watt injector at the camera. Turn on the pneumatic switch. Press the start button. The injector oil enters the test tube for measurement. The oil return is also the same.
P-1000共轨喷油器实验台，可测试共轨喷油器第二遍喷油器，
The details.
喷油器喷油，喷油器回油，
Then you can know the
高压进油，
details of the shoe.
电磁阀线束，选择喷油器相应型号。
2000 common injector repair tools, steel. It contains the both Samsung, Dolphin, Caterpillar.
下面以博士120喷油器为例，介绍一下使用方法。先打开气压开关，
It contains
选择相应的型号，开始测试。开始进入料杯
now
测量。
choose the Samsung brand and Z2. Now choose replace the wall.
Test common rail
Now you can
injector
follow
and
the
high
pictures
injector.
step by step.
Oil injection pipe. Oil return pipe. High pressure oil vent pipe. Solenoid valve harness. Select injector model.
You can see the reference of the angles, QP and series foot, and you can also follow the start corresponding.
Injector
You
oil
can
enters
see
the
the
test
reference
for
of the
measurement.
angles also follow the QP and series foot, and you can also follow the start
P-1000共轨喷油器实验台，可测试共轨喷油器第二遍喷油器，喷油器喷油，喷油器回油，高压进油，
We can use the details
电磁阀线束，喷油器实验台，选择喷油器相应型号，喷油器第二遍喷油。
the next. Also follow the
下面以
pictures
博士
and
120喷油器